KTTC Sports Extra, local team scores and highlights. Brought to you exclusively by Hiller's Flooring America.
Well, welcome to our final Sports Extra. For really don't know how much longer it's going to go or when we're ever going to return. It's mine for sure, Mark, unless we play sports in September, but it just doesn't look good at this point.
Well, Pat, it is what it is. I'm Mark Palace alongside Sports Director Pat Lund. Section football playoffs started the night in football with a pair of section championships played out. We'll start with the Section 1 5A title game. Owatonna going for its fifth straight section title, taking on a feisty Mayo squad. Third quarter, game tied at 21. The Spartans take the lead. Bennett Ellsworth evades the rush, rolls right, hits DeMonte Simmons, who says, "See you later." It's a 55-yard touchdown reception. Sparty up 28-21. Still in the quarter, Owatonna driving. Quarterback Braden Trulson hands it off to Tanner Hall. Hall weaves his way up the left for a nice gain. Huskies in business. Later in the drive, Owatonna sneaks it in. Trulson on the keeper. Huskies tie the game at 28 all. Later in the third, same score, Mayo punting deep in their own territory. It's a coach's worst nightmare. That is a safety. Owatonna now up 30-28, and that would be your game-winning score. Jeff Williams and the Huskies do it again, capturing their fifth consecutive Section 1 5A title. They win this one over Mayo by 2 points, 30-28.
At Mayo High School, Mark, tonight the fourth-seeded JM Rockets met third-seeded Century. This was a good first half of football. This was a really good game. Rockets have found their offensive mojo down the stretch of the season. Nate Swanson, he's a hard runner here. The senior works his way deep in Century territory in the first quarter. That would lead to the first score of the game. Quarterback Cole Peterson finds big Will Ludke over the middle, touchdown for the 6'4", 215-pound junior. Rockets with the 6-0 lead. Second quarter, Century gets on the board. Handoff. Isaiah Huber just through the nice big hole, runs his way to 6 points. 2-point conversion, good 8-6 ball game early second. Panthers then strike with the big play. Rockets punting. It's Huber fielding the kick, and look what happens. This is when his speed takes over. Huber goes down the sideline. Century, they've got the momentum, up 14-6. Rockets answered. Peterson goes to the air again. Drops this ball in the bucket to Jacob Welp. Nice pitch and catch to make the score 18-14. Rockets at the halftime. And as we like to say, when the dust settled on the all-turf field, Century wins it 28-26. The Panthers finished the year with a 4-3 record. That was a good ball game. Let's go to Austin. The bubble was already up, so the 6th-ranked Northfield Raiders met 5th-seeded Austin on the soccer field. Didn't make much of a difference tonight. Northfield controlled the game. Blake Melgren knifes his way into the end zone as the Raiders took the 17-0 lead in the second half. Packers looking to strike with the big play, but Northfield's Michael Rivera, he's having none of that. Nice interception by Rivera to preserve the shutout as the Raiders get their first win of the year in the year's final game. And the Northfield Raiders get the shutout by the final of 17-0. And their first win, they are now 1-6. Austin finishes the year 1-6. On the other side of the bracket, did we have another score there? We're going to probably get to that score later, but we got highlights from Waseca, Dodge Center, Leroy, straight ahead on Sports Extra.
Plus, the Border Battle Part 2 took place tonight at KM Telecom Stadium between Casson, Manorville, and Byron for the Section 1 4-8 championship. We'll be back after this quick timeout.